What's up YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, helping to make that first step that can change your life like it did me. Don't worry industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. What's up guys? So already pre-sprayed the place. And put a little bit of deodorizer in there. Just we added it to the pre-spray. It's called Odor, I think. Just put a little bit in there, and without charging for deodorization. If the customer's not here, you can kind of do that to help with any kind of musty. It had an old musty smell to this place, so I went ahead and added that to it. So it's going to smell nice. Already smells nice, already pre-sprayed. So what I'm doing here is I'm going through, and I noticed there's some spots that need a little extra attention. So I have my spotter kit here. So I'm a little disappointed because I don't see my bone scraper in here. Unless it's on the side. I do have this, so hopefully that works. So there's gum throughout the place, or what looks like gum. I'm gonna go ahead and treat that real quick. That's not gum. I'm not sure what that is. I think that's paint. But what I use for, actually this looks like melted fiber here. I'm not too sure about that. I might just steam out. Gum. Right here. Freeze it. Break it loose. Freeze it. Break it loose. It's the best method for me. There are liquid gel kind of solvents that do this also, but to me you got to work at it longer. I like the freeze process a lot better. The little black tube on this has gone missing on me, so I'm probably wasting a lot more than I should right now on this.
Hey, did you see that one standing in the front room? There. That was kind of hard. Something like that in there too?
Yeah, there's gum throughout here. Actually, I'm not sure what that is. It's like,
the bird?
Yeah, that's like burnt there. Can't do nothing about that. So we already back in, pre-sprayed. He's pre-scrubbing, so I'm just going through here, spotting what I can see. That way, the final extraction's nice and smooth. Now for this, I don't know what that is. I'm going through my little kit right here. Start pulling stuff. See what happens. Okay, my rag. Where'd my rag go? Alright, let me get my rag real quick. Don't see any color transfer with that. I think it's more of a paint. So, see how this stuff works. This stuff's new to me. I haven't used this too much, but it's been working pretty good when I do use it. Okay, so I'm getting a little color transfer. So it's kind of like a paint. Might be nail polish. This stuff does take out nail polish. So this is tedious kind of stuff that you do here and there. When you gotta do too much of this, I do charge for it. But if just a couple spaces I can work on while we're prepping, pre-spraying and scrubbing and stuff, I usually just knock it out. So yeah. So now when I come through here, I'll be able to rinse the rest out, no problem. So I'll just leave a little bit right there. Scrub it. So it's gonna rinse out with my wand. So a lot of times I'll just leave the bottle next to it and then hit it. As I'm cleaning. But being there's two of us, kind of utilize two people. Speed up the process. So that's it for the spotting tie. Now this carpet's kind of old, so curious to see what the results are going to look like. I'm using carpet detail. We're going to see what kind of results we can get. Stay tuned. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking on getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course below all my videos in a link. How to start a carpet cleaning business, not only the technical side, but how to get people to call you, the business side. All right, and if you like any of the tools I use, also below all the videos that I post. Back to the video. Looks amazing. We just made chicken salad out of chicken poop. Really big transition over there.